Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have the correct OEM compressor, new O-rings, and the exact PAG oil volume. This prevents contamination and pressure mismatch. Once prepared, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts, then evacuate the refrigerant using a certified recovery unit. This is both legal and safe. Next, remove the serpentine belt and note belt routing. Make sure to tag and photograph hose locations and electrical connectors before unbolting the compressor. These first steps save time and prevent leaks later. With the system depressurized, unbolt the compressor while supporting it to avoid injury. You want to prevent sudden drops that could damage fittings. Disconnect the electrical connector and remove the refrigerant lines, capping them to keep dirt out. Drain and measure oil from the old unit. Add the exact PAG oil volume the new compressor requires because oil balance keeps the system lubricated. Fit new O-rings with oil. Bolt the compressor hand tight, then torque to factory spec, and reconnect the clutch and hoses. Once the compressor is mounted and electricals are secure, run a vacuum for 30 to 45 minutes and watch for any pressure rise. That identifies leaks before you add refrigerant. Make sure to charge the system with the exact R134A weight specified for the 2006 Civic while monitoring high and low side pressures with gauges to verify correct operation. Start the engine, engage the A/C, and confirm cold air and no leaks. If the compressor clutch won't engage, check the clutch relay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.